Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the device discoverable and the phone ready. Charge your Sense above 50% and wear it so the screen wakes. On your Android, enable Bluetooth and location services and disable battery optimization for Fitbit to avoid background kills. Once done, open the Fitbit app, sign in, and choose Set up Device, then select Sense. The app will scan for your watch. Keep the watch screen active and the phone within a few feet to ensure a steady connection. When the app finds your Sense, you'll see a 6-digit code, match it to the number on the watch and confirm to authenticate the link. Next, grant required permissions, notifications, location, contacts, and nearby devices. These let the app sync settings and deliver calls and messages. If prompted to install or update firmware, allow it because the latest software fixes pairing bugs. Also, make sure your phone is on a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the Sense close or on its charger during long updates to prevent interruptions. Finish by letting the first full sync complete. You'll see steps, sleep, and notifications populate in the app and a last sync timestamp. Once synced, customize clock faces and notification settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off if you expect alerts. If syncing fails, try this key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your Android, restart the Sense, toggle Bluetooth off/on, then reopen the Fitbit app and retry pairing. This often clears transient Bluetooth conflicts and re-establishes a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.